Welcome, Digital Explorer, to the most mysterious structure on the internet, the Cyber Temple. This ancient digital fortress holds the secrets of network communication, where each gateway represents a crucial port that connects our world. Today, you'll unlock 5 essential gates that every cybersecurity professional must master for the CompTIA Security Plus certification. Behold, the first gateway glows before you, Port 80. This is the most traveled path in the digital realm, where standard web traffic flows freely. Every website you visit without encryption passes through this open portal. HTTP requests surge through like rivers of data, carrying the foundation of internet communication. But look ahead, a more secure passage emerges. Port 443 stands fortified with encryption shields, protecting HTTPS traffic. This is where sensitive data travels safely, wrapped in cryptographic armor. Banking, shopping, private communications, all flow through this secured gateway, invisible to prying eyes. Deeper in the temple, you discover the Oracle Chamber, Port 53. Here, the domain name system works its magic, transforming human-readable website names into machine-readable IP addresses. Like an ancient translator, DNS converts Google.com into numerical coordinates that computers understand. A cyber wizard materializes, opening Port 22, the SSH gateway. This secure portal allows remote access to distant systems, letting administrators control servers from anywhere in the world. Through encrypted tunnels, commands travel safely across vast digital distances. Finally, you reach the digital docks, Port 21, where FTP operates. Here, glowing data containers move between systems, transferring files across the network. Though less secure than modern alternatives, FTP remains a fundamental protocol for file movement. Let's review your journey through the Cyber Temple. Port 80 for HTTP web traffic. Port 443 for encrypted HTTPS. Port 53 for DNS translation. Port 22 for SSH remote access. And Port 21 for FTP file transfers. These 5 gateways form the foundation of internet communication. But wait. The temple's deepest chamber begins to glow. Ancient symbols suggest even more secrets await. Message ports that handle email and communication protocols. Your adventure in the Cyber Temple has only just begun.